Oh my god, I made it. No, please! Kordak, no, you swine!
Seems it is trial run time.
Let us do this shit. Hey, remember these guys? The sharks? I'm in the rafters now, son. You know, You know, Kordak, it's times like these where I miss the music.
Yeah. It's a time trial, Kyle. Come on.
I'm trying. I'm time trying. Ow. Oh, why did you get to go up there?
I don't know.
I'm the one that cheated to get us up there in the first place. Why? Nobody.
Not far enough.
Oh. Oh. I mean, at this point, I'm pretty sure that could be called spawn camping.
Here, Kyle, down here, quick.
Boing.
Oh, that's safe.
Go, Kordak. Live on for us. Oh no, Kordak, it's the rock.
Yes, I know. There we go.
Ah, balls.
You just gotta time it.
Oh. Oh, I tried to. Oh wait, no, that's gonna kill me! Okay. Away! Simultaneous. No, 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 no. Kordak.
There, finally, yay!
I'm sad. Kyle's sad now. Okay, let's go. Let's go and never talk about this again. Rocks, no! I don't know if I helped you or tried to kill you there, but... Well, there's only one thing to do.
Kyle.
Wait, oh! Wait, did I just kill you by dying?
I believe so.
Alright, I'm pretty sure this way is the collectible.
Yeah, but this is a time trial.
Well, screw that. Okay, yeah, screw that. Why? Kordak, I feel like this is a bit of a lemming effect.
We might not make it. Oh, come on! Way over here. Oh, the ending's right there!
We can do it, Kordak. This is our last chance. We each have one run left each.
And I failed.
Kordak, it's up to you.
Got it!
Yeah!
Oh, that was only the first one.
Yeah, now to go again. No, 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 no. No! Hi, Kordak.
Ah.
Welcome back to my hell.
Oh, Kyle, don't go after the things. They're not worth that.
Oh my.
Ah!
Okay. Oh, I jumped. No running! Away! Oh my.
Ah, water!
Oh my god, I made it. No, please! Kordak, no, you swine! Kordak, this is going about as well as I ever thought it would.
Another gold hat.
Yep. No, Papa. Alright, at least one of us has made it. No! Oh, I almost saved the hat. Oh, I did save the hat! I did! Damn it! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Please. Please. Kordak! Kordak! Get the key! I'm pretty sure you are going to be... Oh. I was about to say, I'm pretty sure you're going to be way higher than me, but apparently not. We're famous!
Perham's hat sure is a mystery. It vexes me so. It truly does. But where did it come from? Well, children, some say the hat was blessed by a voodoo witch doctor, and then cursed by another voodoo witch doctor like 20 minutes later. Others claim Perham was adventuring through the treacherous caves of the Nightmare Princess when he found the hat perched atop a giant ruby. A ruby that naturally formed into the shape of a skull. A human skull. But you know what I think, children? I think the hat is haunted by all the souls of its previous owners, all of their dreams and failures mashed together in a frantic, poisonous scramble of grumpiness and conflicting viewpoints. But I'm the dumb one, right? I mean, you got these voodoo nightmare princess thingies, easily the biggest crocks of stuff I've ever heard in my entire life. But I'm the dumb one. That's fine. And not just anyone can don the hat, you know. It calls out only to those who embody the exemplary qualities required. Charity, bravery, handsomeness, gentlemanity, inoffensive smell, etc. And of course, proper head size. Guess that explains why cats can't wear it. Plus, whoever heard of a cat in a hat? That's preposterous. And heavy weighs the crown. He who wears the hat calls the shots, and in a time long forgotten, maintained balance and ensured that everyone was plump and happy and wanted for nothing. But all good things come to an end, children. Well, that's not entirely true. I figure pizza will always exist, but this hat,
Flashbacks to the
dinosaurs.
dinosaurs.
Benevolent guidance are
Those are not good
with.
days
You
in
might
my
as well
history.
flip it over and use it as a toilet. I mean, Hattie hasn't lifted a finger to spread the wealth or encourage smiles, and the theater staff is really starting to feel unappreciated. Oh look! This smoldering unrest has given birth to a precious little storm cloud.
Aw, precious little storm cloud.
And if things don't change around here, this little cloud's gonna grow up into a big, giant, scary cloud and spray us all with a drenching downpour of horrifying madness.
It sounds like Alice in Madness Returns.
More than ever now. And I know things look bleak, but even the word hopeless has hope in it. If you rearrange the letters, it spells peace losh. The last part was probably unnecessary. I'm sorry.